face to my guest first. Our beautiful eyes. See, everybody's telling you have beautiful eyes, Sai. So today's guest is Sai Deodhar. She has a beautiful name and of course beautiful eyes. And that's why I told her to cover her, the whole face because I wanted to say something. Actually, क्या है कि प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जो हुस्न वाले होते हैं ना, उनको क्या जरूरत है संवरने की. हुस्न वालों को क्या जरूरत है संवरने की, वो तो सादगी में भी कयामत की अदा रखते हैं. Sai, this is for you.
वाह 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 वाह.
And another one for you. इतने हिजाबों पर ये आलम है हुस्न का. हिजाब is what you're wearing. इतने हिजाबों पर ये आलम है हुस्न का. क्या हाल हो जो देख ले पर्दा उठा के हम. क्या हाल हो जो देख ले पर्दा उठा के हम. अब हम आपका सुंदर चेहरा देख सकते हैं क्या?
दिखा दो अगर आपकी. थैंक यू सो मच. हाय, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर having me on your show.
You are so pretty. Okay, now I want to tell everybody that Sai Deodhar is a beautiful actress, gorgeous looking, and she comes in many TV serials, like she's the soap opera queen. And also, on top of that, she is a director, she is a producer, and she has a production company. I mean, is there anything that you're not doing? I mean, यार हम तो खाना बना रहे थे घर में, आटा गूंद रही थी मैं, वो केक नया ट्राई कर रही थी, कुछ कर रही थी, और साई ने क्या किया? Do you want to know people? साई ने क्या किया? She made a movie, man.
नहीं, मैंने आटा गूंदते गूंदते मेरी बेटी की पढ़ाई लेते लेते और झाड़ू पोछा करते करते मूवी बनी. So
ये देखिए, दिस इज द कमाल, इंस्टेड ऑफ क्रिबिंग कि मेड नहीं है, खाना बनाना पड़ रहा है, ये करना पड़ रहा है, वो करना पड़ रहा है. पीपल लाइक यू आर सो क्रिएटिव यार. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू. एवरीबडी सो प्राउड ऑफ यू. एंड whoever saw your movie, I sent your movie to everybody, and everybody loved the movie. Everybody almost had tears in their eyes. I mean, if you can bring tears in the audience eyes, you are a success. Sai, you are really a success.
And you're very kind with your words. Thank you so much.
No. Definitely. Beauty with brains and intellect. It's a rare combination. And now, first of all, coming to the spooky story. So, did you see the trailer, guys? Did you see the trailer where either me or Sai is a ghost, is a spirit? So Sai, I had given the trailer to everybody, all my friends,
right,
all the viewers.
It is very nice.
And I had asked, yeah, I made it at night and I was spooked myself. And I was like, am I a spirit? Am I a ghost? So we will tell them why we're doing a spooky show. Little after, we discuss why we did it and why we doing it.
Sure.
Okay, there is a suspense to it. Yeah. So in the trailer, Sai and me are there, two friends, and it's a lonely night, and it's kind of a metro, like maybe Bombay, and we are going on the ceiling, okay, and there is, you can see the apartments, and you can see the crows, and you can see that horrible eerie sound, and there is a silence, and something's going to happen. So many people have sent me the stories. I'm so glad I got like 12 stories.
Wow. Really, really good.
Yeah.
Nice.
And out of that, I've selected 3 stories. One is a poem and 3 stories.
Okay.
So you are going to, yeah. So today, because we are talking all about spooky things, you're going to decide which story is the best. I'm going to briefly tell you all the 3 stories. So Sai is the judge today for the viewers, and viewers are getting prizes. Prizes will reach your home in 4 to 5 days.
Great.
Courier takes a little time. Yeah. Okay. Now, before that, I want to ask you, Sai.
Yeah.
So, are there ghosts? Ghosts really exist? What do you think?
I am petrified of it. I mean, that's the most amazing thing is that I am petrified of it, and I'm doing a show on Insta Live,
Yes.
which was based on horror. Because I thought that was the easiest way to get over it. is to talk about it and kind of get used to it, but I get damn scared. If after my show is over, believe me, all my guests also tell me कि सही आज रात को तो हमें नींद नहीं आ रही है, and I'm like I'm really bad, but I'm also not going to be sleeping at night. So in fact, उल्टा ही हो रहा है. Instead of getting less scared, I'm getting more and more petrified with every episode. Yeah, I do believe this.
So you know what? Yeah, so you know something, even I'm scared of ghosts. Everybody's scared of ghosts, spirit, whatever you may call it. Now, actually, I want to ask you, what is ghost? Do they really exist, or is it just a feeling? Or I feel it's human psychology to feel scared. They get some excitement out of it.
See, I feel, to put it very scientifically, I feel if there's plus, there has to be minus. You know, that's how the nature is balanced. Everything has plus and minus. Atoms and molecules have plus and minus. So I guess if there is a positive energy that we believe in, there has to be a counter energy which probably is also in existence. So I guess, yeah. So I believe there are things which can't be explained, and as long as they are not in my periphery, I'm okay with it. So.
साई तेरे पीछे कौन खड़ा है?
इसलिए मुझे दिख रहा है, मैं पीछे साथ में देख रही हूँ, कोई नहीं दिख रहा मुझे पीछे.
ओके, तो एक स्टोरी मैं सुनाती हूँ. एक लड़की ने मुझे अपनी स्पूकी स्टोरी
भेजी.
I mean not story, reality. It happened to her in real life.
Okay.
उसके she said she went to some hill station. तो भूत actually hill station पे ज्यादा रहते हैं. I think they enjoy a holiday there. Most of the ghosts you'll find mostly in hill stations. पहाड़ी में इधर उधर वो कुछ होगा साइकी. They feel after we are dead, at least we can have a holiday in the hills, yeah. So she says she was clicking pictures, and she came back home and she was just looking through the pictures, and there was this ghost who was posing at the back. And I saw it. I saw that picture. I'm telling you, I really got scared. They said we didn't see anybody there, and the ghost was posing. So there was a white shadow and he was posing there. Anyways, and when I was a kid, my dad was a doctor, and we used to stay in the doctor's residences, again in the hills, okay? And there was a dead house where they used to keep all the dead bodies. You know, probably they're waiting for the relatives, or probably the bodies are waiting to be postmortem. And many nights we would see the light going on, off, on, off, on, off. I'm going to recite one beautiful poem which somebody has sent. Just give me a minute.
Sure.
So this is after the trailer finishes, the poem starts. This is by Natasha. You and me are friends, holding hands in the sunshine and sharing secrets in the darkness of the night. Little did I know that you are but just a spirit. 1 second. Little did I know that you are just a spirit, playing with my feelings and driving me to the edge.
Wow.
Slowly, silently creeping into my skin, making me wild and thinking, who are you? A drive into the forest, and before I know, you have stepped on the accelerator and drived me with your hands. Sweet surrender.
Wow. Beautiful.
It's actually beautiful, Natasha.
Very nice.
I am so proud of you. Very proud of you. It's really a beautiful, very beautiful poem. एक और आपको देखते देखते मुझे एक और शेर याद आ गया. उसके चेहरे की चमक के सामने सादा लगा. उसके चेहरे की चमक के सामने सादा लगा. आसमां पे चांद पूरा था मगर आधा लगा.
ओहो, क्या बात है. I don't think anybody's ever said.
यार मैं क्या करूं. मैंने जिसको भी आपका पोस्टर भेजा है और बताया कि ये मेरी गेस्ट है, they are like, yeah, she's as attractive as Smita Patil.
Oh my God.
And which is true. You have that kind of, you have that kind of beauty. First story is by Trishna. Trishna कहती है कि साई और उपमा सीलिंग पे जा रहे थे कार में. ठीक है, कार में जा रहे थे, गप्पे मार रहे थे, म्यूजिक सुन रहे थे, और कार एकदम बंद हो गई. रात था. साई भी डर गई, उपमा भी डर गई. समझ नहीं आया कि अब क्या करें। और उपमा तो बहुत ही डर गई, वो तो कह रही थी मर गए, अब क्या होगा, कैसे जाएंगे, सीलिंग में तो कोई रुकेगा भी नहीं हमारे लिए, बॉम्बे में जो सीलिंग है वहां पे कोई रुकता नहीं है किसी के लिए। इतने में साई वॉज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, वो कहती है तू रुक, मैं लिफ्ट मांगती हूँ। साई इतनी ब्यूटीफुल एक्ट्रेस, लिफ्ट मांगती रही मांगती रही मांगती रही, कोई नहीं रुका, नोबडी स्टॉप्ड, आई एम सॉरी, नोबडी स्टॉप्ड।
अच्छा।
उसके बाद एक आदमी आया, उसने हैट डाली हुई थी, और आदमी आया और आपको पूछता है आके क्या हुआ साई, साई आपको किसी मेरा नाम पता लगा? मैंने कहा हमें मालूम है आप एक्ट्रेस हो। ओ ओके, तो फॉर अ मोमेंट यू वर टेकन अबैक बट देन यू लाइक ओ ओके। आपने कहा कि गाड़ी तो हमारी खराब हो गई है और हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा कि क्या करें। क्या था, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, मैं इंजन चेक करता हूँ। उन्होंने आपका इंजन खोला, गाड़ी का इंजन चेक किया, स्टार्ट कर दी गाड़ी। तो साई ने उसको कहा कि आपने हमारी इतनी हेल्प की है तो आप हम आपको लिफ्ट दे देते हैं आगे तक। आपने कहाँ जाना है? उन्होंने कहा हमें वर्ली तक जाना है। तो आपने उनको लिफ्ट दे दी, ठीक है। और हम बातें करते रहे, वी हैड अ नाइस चैट विद हिम, ही वाज गुड फन एंड ऑल दैट। हम बातें करते रहे और हम अपने घर चले गए। जब हम पार्क कर रहे थे, आपने पीछे देखा उसका लाइसेंस रह गया। आपने कहा उपमा कल सुबह जाके इसका लाइसेंस वापस कर देंगे, ही वाज अ गुड मैन, ओके। और उसके बाद हम सो जाते हैं और हम सुबह उस लड़की उसका घर एड्रेस ढूंढते ढूंढते उसके घर चले जाते हैं। नॉक नॉक, एक बूढ़ी औरत दरवाजा खोलती है।
हाँ।
साई कहती है ये लाइसेंस रह गया था कल हमारी गाड़ी में, हमने किसी को लिफ्ट दी थी और एड्रेस यहाँ का है, आप बता सकते हैं ये कौन है? वो बूढ़ी औरत बेचारी चश्मा लेके आती है। ये आपको कहाँ से मिला? साई ने कहा हमारी गाड़ी के पीछे सीट पे मिला। मैंने कहा आप, ये आदमी आपको मिला? ये तो मेरा बेटा है। साई ने कहा हाँ मिला। किधर है बेटा, बुलाओ ना। ये कैसे बुलाओ, 5 साल पहले उसकी सीलिंग पे तो एक्सीडेंट में डेथ हो गई थी। साई मेरी तरफ देखती है, मैं साई की तरफ देखती हूँ और हम कहते हैं ओके आंटी हम चलते हैं, ओके। एंड वी जस्ट थ्रू द लाइसेंस एंड वी जस्ट रैन फ्रॉम देयर। दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टोरी बाय तृष्णा। Second story is by Preeti Bhatia. Preeti Bhatia, I hope you are listening. Hi to everybody. I'm sorry if I cannot say hi. I'm so busy looking at my guest right now. Preeti Bhatia की स्टोरी है कि साई और उपमा बातें करते करते, ड्राइव करते करते ये लोग नहीं सॉरी, साई बुलाती है उपमा को कि मेरे पेरेंट्स शादी पे गए हुए हैं, मैं फ्री हूँ, तू आ जा। उपमा कहती है ठीक है मैं आती हूँ। और उपमा का घर सिर्फ 5 मिनट्स की दूरी पे था। साई वेट कर रही है और उपमा कहती है मैं आ रही हूँ। कह रही है यार तू आ जा ना, कितनी देर लगा रही है, मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को ड्रॉप करके आई हूँ और जल्दी से उनको पिक भी करना है, जल्दी आ जा तू, जल्दी आ जा। रात के 12 बजे थे। तो वो कह रही है मैं आ रही हूँ। फाइनली शी केम, ओके। उपमा आ गई, वो आ गई। हम लोग टेरेस पे अपना वॉक करने लग गए, एंजॉय करने लग गए, कॉफी पीने लग गए। वी स्टार्टेड लाफिंग, हैविंग फन, एंजॉय कर रहे थे, खूब गप्पे मार रहे थे, इधर की बात उधर की बात। इतने में साई का फोन बजता है, फोन अंदर पड़ा होता है। तो साई उपमा को कहती है फोन बज रहा है मेरा अंदर, मैं अभी आती हूँ। उपमा कहती है यार जल्दी आना, मुझे तेरे टेरेस पे बहुत डर लगता है, आई फील वेरी लोनली, आई एम स्केयर्ड ऑफ घोस्ट। तो साई कहती है मैं अभी आ रही हूँ, मैं फोन लेके आई विल सी हूज ऑन द कॉल। तो साई जाके अंदर फोन उठाती है, अंदर जाती है, फोन उठाती है, तो फोन होता है उपमा की माँ का। और वो कह रही है आंटी आपने क्यों फोन किया, उपमा मेरे पास ही है। उपमा तेरे पास है? पर मैं तो तेरे को इसलिए बताने के लिए फोन किया है, उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया है, वो हॉस्पिटल में है और वो नहीं बची। और साई उधर सोफे पे ही बैठ जाती है और वो सोचती है कि मैं हॉस्पिटल जाऊं कि टेरेस पे जाऊं जहां मेरी उपमा वेट कर रही है। सोचो, story finishes.
I don't like the accident bit, but okay.
It's suspense. It's story. Third story is of Neetu Avtani. This is also interesting. हम दोनों फ्रेंड्स हैं और हम दोनों ने एक नया फ्लैट लिया है, ठीक है। और हम दोनों बड़ी खुशी खुशी वी आर शिफ्टिंग इनटू द फ्लैट। हमने शिफ्ट कर दिया, दिस इज द फर्स्ट नाइट वी आर गोना स्टे देयर, ओके। हम घर पहुंचते हैं और ड्राइव करते हैं और ये साई मुझे बुला रही होती है उपमा को कि ऑफिस से आ जा जल्दी, आज हमको थोड़ा काम है, जल्दी आ जा। उपमा कह रही मैं आ रही हूँ, मुझे काम है यार, तू तब तक चल। पर इतने में उपमा आ जाती है और हम चलते हैं। हम घर पहुंचते हैं और हम सारा अपना सेट करते हैं सामान वगैरह। उपमा कहती है मुझे तो बहुत थक गई हूँ, मैं तो सो रही हूँ, ओके। तो साई भी साथ में सो जाती है बिकॉज वो दोनों बहुत थके हुए हैं। इतने में रात को 1 बजे घंटी बजती है। साई कहती है उपमा उठ यार, मैं नहीं उठ रही, आई हैव अ शूट एंड ऑल दैट। उपमा कहती है मैं नहीं उठ रही, आई एम वेरी टायर्ड, मैं तो ऑफिस से थक के आई हूँ। तो इतने में साई उठती है और वो दरवाजा खोलती है और बाहर देखती है, क्योंकि बाहर बारिश हो रही है, देखा तो उपमा भीगी हुई बाहर खड़ी है। और वो कहती है अगर तू उपमा है तो वो कौन थी मेरे साथ शाम को। वो पीछे देखती है तो वहां कोई नहीं होता। स्टोरी एंड देयर।
Right.
Thank you for all the 3 stories. These are the 3 stories which I really liked out of all the stories. People, okay, now some people are talking to you. They loved your Udaan serial.
Thank you so much.
They loved your Sara Akash serial. And another, okay, everybody is getting scared. Now we're gonna tell you why we did this spooky.
Yes, why we did this? Why we did this? Yes, why we did this?
Can we scare them a little bit? Can we scare them a little bit?
We did this because I have a show on Instagram.
Because yes, and it's called The Dar Diary.
Yes.
Please, every Wednesday at 11 p.m. please watch her show. Her Insta handle is given here, so you can start following her from now only. Otherwise, I'm going to share her Insta handle on my page tomorrow with the video. So please watch the show. It's amazing show. What do you do in the show?
So basically, as I told you, we've been all at home. There are no shootings which were happening all these days. And I've been, I'm a hands-on mother, wife, daughter. My mother is also with me.
Yeah,
I said, out of all of this, I said, I need to do something creative. I said, otherwise I'll completely lose my mind. Because obviously, I mean, do something which is exciting.
Aata gunte. Yeah.
So actually, I thought of this concept. I said, horror is something which everybody loves. I mean, people like to get scared, but people love. So I said, let me do something in this genre. I'll do something with horror. So I came up with this whole concept with Dar Diaries, and obviously, I invite my friends on the show, and then I hear real life experiences from them. What happened in the shoot, or what happened, when they were growing up, and things like that. And then we have a quiz. And then a very interesting segment which I put them in a situation. If this happens to you, what would you do? So that's what.
Oh, okay. और एक मैं बात बताती हूँ, बहुत ही स्केरी है. So हमारा एक घर होता था हिमाचल में, a new घर. We shifted into the new house. रात के 12 बजे ठक 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 आवाज आनी शुरू हो जाती थी. It's reality, हाँ. और हम रोज सोचे ये ठक 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 आवाज कहाँ से आती है. So we asked the neighbor. There were not many neighbors around, but I asked some. There was a police station there, so I went to the police station and asked them, "What is this noise?" कहते आपको नहीं पता, आप नए आए हो यहाँ पे. हाँ, हमने कहा अभी शिफ्ट हुए हैं. कहते वो एक आदमी था जो रेलवे ट्रैक पे नट बोल्ट्स चेक करता था. He used to check the nut bolts, by the railways, and he died there. So every day at 12 o'clock, the ghost comes and checks the nut bolts. Yeah. I mean, it was very scary.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm telling you. We've lived with a ghost. Actually, I was just reading about ghosts and spirits. So, somebody was actually saying that ghosts, you can imagine ghosts also if you're not getting proper level of oxygen. Yeah. And if there are magnetic fields around you.
Yeah.
So when there are magnetic fields around you, you can hear those sounds. And you can actually, probably sometimes, have you noticed that when you go to the bathroom, sometimes at night, have you noticed these white lights?
True.
So those are magnetic lights, and the lights from outside playing up with each other or whatever. But I always say, thank you for saving me. I'm going back to sleep. Now, I want to ask you one thing. My gorgeous, beautiful Sai.
Oh, my God.
How did you get the serial? How did you get the serial Sara Akash? I really loved it, especially you in that uniform and Air Force, and it was really beautiful. How did you get this serial?
It was very interesting because I was still in college. I was in Mitibai College, and the exams were going on. And I had not studied because I was so busy representing college in all the plays, and I was completely drama team in Mitibai was very strong. So as usual, last minute padhai was happening, and I still remember I had given my psychology paper and I'd come back home and I was sleeping, and my mother woke me up and she said, "This production house has been trying to call, And in those days, we used to give pictures.
Oh.
There were no, we give hard copy
No auditions.
or mail on mail. It was
Ah.
still very relatively new. And so they said they've been trying to call you, and they've been auditioning for this show for the last some 2 months. So they tried calling you, but your exams were on, you didn't pay attention. So today is the last day. And they've been really saying that no, we want to test her. So I was like, Mom, I really don't want to, whole night I have not slept. I have now next paper tomorrow again. I said, again, it's a night or all nighter. I'm not going and giving any auditions now. So my mother, obviously being from the film industry, they said, it's so wrong. I said, she said, somebody is giving you that much of importance and calling you. You should go. It's not right. So I said, okay, Mom. So I, because my mom said I went there, and when I went there, they gave me a whole lot of dialogues, like 2 pages of dialogues, and then they said, please go them, and we'll take an audition. So I said, listen, right now, I don't think there's anything left here. For I can't assimilate anything in my head anymore. So I said, right, you just tell me what the character is. Tell me what kind of a girl is she. Give me a bio sketch of this character, and I shall answer you like her. So they were like, we've not taken an audition like that. I said, see, now that you've called me, I'm on the way, I'm going to give an audition. So you might as well.
Yeah, better tell me.
You better take one. And I said, this is how it's going to be. Because I'm not learning those lines. So they were like, okay, I said, chalo, something new for them. Because they were